Have you packed away your Christmas tree and all of your holiday decorations yet? Well, it's January, so it's time to do that, right? We want to get things started off to a great start in the new year. We want to feel refreshed. We want our homes to be cleaned, have all that clutter out. I know after Christmas, I love my Christmas tree, but I am just so ready to get it out, and I want to get my house back in order because we have so much clutter and things at the holidays. So in January with 31, we have an awesome customer special. So for every $35 that you spend, you can get 2 customer specials in January, which is so great. We have several different price points as well. All right, so the first thing that I want to share with you guys that's on sale is the Double Duty Caddy. So this is on sale for $10 when you spend $35, all right, this month. So I love this caddy. Not only is it great for teachers in their classrooms to keep things organized, maybe graded papers, or you could put like mason jars in here with colored pencils, markers, dry erase markers. Then here you can put your calculators, really whatever a teacher needs. This is also good in a baby's room for diapers. I love giving this as a baby shower gift, but put diapers on here, diapers and wipes on this side, put some fingernail clippers in there, baby lotion, so great. But what's also great about this is if you want to take lunch or you're picking up lunch for your coworkers, you can use this as your caddy, maybe for drinks. So I know Chick-fil-A, they like to give these, I always save them. Shout out to Chick-fil-A. I put this in here, then our drinks go right in here, and then like if I'm taking lunch to my son, I put both our drinks in there, and then I put our food on this side, and then I just have one little thing to carry in instead of like juggling a lot of little things. So this is the Double Duty Caddy. It's on sale for $10 this month. All right, the next item that's $10 is the fold-in file. I love this fold-in file. I actually have 2 of them down here in my office, and they are so great. I actually have one in my mobile office when I go to parties. They're great as a standalone, just like this. So you have the pockets in here if you want to keep pens and highlighters and maybe some extra change if you like me and go to parties, or you know, whatever you want to put, a calculator right here. And then on the inside, it's got a big open compartment, and hanging file folders fit in here. If you want to use the regular folders, they fit too, but hanging file folders fit on the edge right here. And if you need a mobile office, this is great to pair with the zip top organizing utility tote. Just put this down on the inside, and now you have a mobile office to go. You have handles right here. You have the zipper closure on top, just like this, it zips closed. And then you have the 7 pockets on the outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. So you got your mobile office. So this is a great solution set for you. Spend $35 on the zip top organizing utility tote and get the fold-in file for $10. And then you can get another customer special because you get 2 for every $35 you spend. So the fold-in file is $10. The next thing that's on sale is the Your Way bin. I love this bin, and I actually got 2 for my laundry room because we keep a lot of those extra things like we buy at Sam's and stuff in there. So this is the my necklace is caught. This is the Your Way display bin. As you can see, it says Studio 31 because I use this for my home parties. So it's got the shorter front, and then you turn it to the side and it gets taller in the back, and it has 2 handles on each side. And then here's the back. This is great for your pantry. You can put your taller soup cans in the back, your shorter ones in the front. If you want to use this in your closet for leggings, roll your leggings up and put in here. As you can see, I have all of my Studio 31 flaps and things in here. So it holds so much stuff. I love this. So that is the Your Way display bin. It's on sale for $15. Another item that's on sale for $15, and I'm not sure if I ever shared with you guys in a video or not, but this is the Get Creative case. So this is such a cute little case. You've got a little handle here, a little handle here on the side. It has a Velcro on the top. And then you open it up, and it's a great compartment here. You have a zipper in the back with a clear little zipper pouch. On the sides, you have elastic pockets. All right, and then if you need it to, so if you want to keep this on your counter, maybe for K-cups, or you want to use it in your craft station, this thing unvelcros right here, and it can be like an open caddy. So I have some of my little paints right here. If you have the taller paints, it fits perfect in there. This is great to keep things organized. If your kids want to use it maybe as a little Barbie house, I have my daughter's little Barbie right here. I have these little extra, we have these little slim cases. So I have like her little play cell phone in there. These are extra and they fit perfectly in there to keep things organized. If you're using this maybe as for scrapbooking or for planners, you can also pair this with our slim pouch. I have washi tape in here. These fit, all these little cases fit perfect in there, these little extra cases. And you guys can just search the keyword case on my website and find it there. And then, so that is $15. The Get Creative case is $15. And then the last thing that I have to share with you guys is spend $35 and you can get this Get Creative Caddy for $20. All right, and I know you guys, if you've watched my videos, you probably know what this is. If you haven't, you're about to be amazed. All right, so you got the long handles right here so you can carry it on your shoulder. In the middle, it has a big pocket right here. So if you're using this maybe as your planner bag, put your planner in here. If you want to use it as a Bible bag, put your Bible and your Sunday school material in there. Or if you're using this as a caddy, a Get Creative Caddy, you can put little extra things in there, little slim pouches in there, rectangle pouches. This is our cylinder. I kept calling it wrong. But there's so many ways, so many things that you could put in here to keep yourself organized. All right, so what's great about this is this front looks normal right here. All you have to do is unsnap this right here, and it's like magic. Voila, look on the inside here. So you have 3 slots here. I like to use this, I show this as like a church bag or a Sunday school bag. So put your Bible in the middle, and then here you have markers, tissues, you have hand sanitizer because you need that at church because you're shaking everybody's hands. So, and then on this little section right here, this little flap, this is a little clear pocket. It zips closed right here. You can put a white piece of paper in here. Your kids can use their dry erase markers, mark on right here, and then just wipe it off, and it'll keep them busy for a long time in church. The other side is the same way. It's just a tad bit different. You have just an elastic pocket right here, whether you want to keep your mints and your gum, your car keys, maybe your chapstick. Don't go anywhere without your chapstick. And then on this section right here, you have a little Velcro pocket right here. So this is the Get Creative Caddy. Excuse me. So this is $20 this month when you spend $35. So anyways, happy January. I hope that you have loved seeing our customer special. I hope that you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and that you will follow along with all of my videos in January. We have an outlet sale at the beginning of the month. And I would love for you to join my VIP customer group on Facebook. So happy New Year.